Hello student, today's topic is discount, commission and rebate. Let us see about the discount. First is mark price. What is meant by the mark price? Each atom which to be sold have a tag on it, and on that tag there is a price, and this price is called as the mark price. Shopkeeper gives the discount on every atom. While selling the object, the actual amount by which he reduces the mark price is called as the discount. And the selling price. What is meant by the selling price? The mark price minus discount is called as the selling price. Commission or the discount is in the form of the percentage. Discount or commission equal to mark price into the percentage of the discount. These are the formula for calculating the discount or commission. Next example. Mangan Lal decided rupees 32,500 as a mark price on a community and gave the discount on the mark price. How much discount did he give to the customer? Now this is the mark price. Given is mark price rupees 32,500 and discount equal to rate of discount equal to 10%. Now we have to find the actual discount given to the customer. So discount equal to, use the formula, discount equal to, how to calculate the discount? Use the formula mark price into percentage of discount. Mark price 32,500 into percentage of discount is 10%, and you know that 10% is written as 10 upon 100. This sign, that is divided by 100. Double zero numerator and denominator zeros are cut. 325 into 10 rupees 3,250. So our answer is option number 2. Only calculate the discount here. Next example. Avinash received a discount of 5% on the mark price of a two-wheeler, which amounted to rupees 2,376. Then what was the mark price of the two-wheeler? Here percentage of discount is given, discount percent is given, discount is given. Discount equal to rupees 2,376. Discount percentage is given, and we have to find the mark price. Discount, we know the formula, discount equal to, what is that formula? Discount equal to mark price into discount percent. You know the discount is given 2,376. Mark price, let mark price be X. Let mark price be X. Mark price of two-wheeler. Be rupees X. So mark price be X into discount percentage 5%. Now solve this. 2,376 equal to X into 5% means 5 into 100 upon 100. Find the value of X. This goes to the left hand side. 2,376 into 100 divided by 5. Divide this number by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Dot. Take a decimal place and take a 0. 5 2s are 10. So X equal to 475.2 into 100. X equal to, put the zeros, 20. Now take a 1 decimal point, that is answer is 47,520. The mark price of two-wheeler is 47,520. Answer is option number 2. Next example, Rohan gets 12,500 month as a salary and additional 4% intensive on selling the price of the sale of commodity. In June, Rohan sold commodity of rupees 4,20,000. Then how much money Rohan get in the month of the June? Rohan get the salary plus intensive. So first of all, we have to calculate the intensive, that is the commission. Commission is given to the Rohan. Commission is 4% on selling the commodity of 4,20,000 rupees. So first find out the commission or the incentive received by Rohan. First find the incentive received by the Rohan. So incentive is on the commodity sale. So 4,20,000 into 4%. 4,20,000 into 4 upon 100. Double zeros are cut. 4,200 into 4. 16,800. Incentive, Rohan get the incentive of 16,800 plus salary equal to salary plus monthly income, monthly salary plus the incentive. 12,500 plus 16,800. 29,300. That is the option number 3. Total income of the Rohan is equal to salary plus incentive. Salary is 12,500 and incentive receive 16,800. So total is 29,300. Option number 3. Next example, Madhumati sold 2 buffaloes with the help of the agent. The decided selling price of one buffalo 63,700 and the other buffalo was 37,300. The commission agent decided was 2.5%. Then how much less amount did the Madhumati get after selling the buffaloes? Madhumati sold the buffalo through the agent. So he must give the agent as a commission, some commission. She gives the commission. So she get the less amount as a commission. Total selling price of 2 buffalo equal to rupees 63,700 plus 37,300. 0, 0, 0, 1, 10. 1,01,000. This is the selling price of the 2 buffalo. Now on this amount there is the commission given to the agent, and commission is, find the commission, equal to, commission is on the selling price of that buffalo 2.5, that is 2.5. 3 zeros are given. 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, and 1 decimal place divided by 100, divided by 100. Total 1 and 2, 3 decimal places, or cut the zeros, and 1 decimal point. One zero one zero into 2.5 0. Answer is 2525. Answer is option number 3. Madhumati get how much less amount? That is this amount. Next example. Nishant sold 200 bunches of roses at the rate of 65 per bunch. He get 5% commission from selling. Then how much commission did Nishant got? First of all, find the selling price of 200 bunches. One bunch for rupees 65. So selling price of 200 bunches. First find the selling price of 200 bunches. Rate is 65 per bunch. So 200 into 65, double zeros, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. That is at the rupees 13,000. The selling price of 200 bunches equal to 13,000. Now he got the commission of the 5%. He get 5% commission. So find the total commission. Commission equal to total commission received by Nishant equal to total commission. Use the formula total commission equal to selling price into percentage. $13,000 into 5%, that is 5 upon 100. Double zeros, numerator, denominator, zeros are cut. 130 into 5. 650. Commission. How much commission did the Nishant get? Nishant get 650 rupees for as a commission. So answer is rupees 650. Option number 2. Next example is the mark price of 2 articles are equal. One of them was sold at 10% discount and other was sold at 12% discount. If the difference between the selling prices was rupees 34, then what was the mark price of each article? Now first of all, let mark price of both the atom equal, that is mark price are equal. So mark price of 2 article be rupees X. For first article, there is the discount of 10%. So find the selling price of that article. Selling price equal to, first upon find the discount. Discount equal to mark price into percentage of discount, discount percentage. First find out the discount. Mark price is equal to X and discount is 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100. Zeros are cut. X into 1 upon 10, that is X upon 10. First article is sold at the discount of 10%. So selling discount equal to x upon 10. So selling price equal to, find the selling price of first atom equal to, what is the selling price? Selling price is mark price minus discount. Mark price minus discount. First upon, find the selling price of the first atom. Mark price is x minus discount is x upon 10. Cross multiplication, 10x minus x, 9x. 9x upon 10 is the first selling price of the atom. Number second, for second article. Same, do the same procedure. Discount, first find the discount. Now discount is mark price into discount percentage. So x is the mark price into discount is 12%, 12 upon 100. So discount is 12x upon 100. Or find the selling price. Selling price equal to mark price minus discount. Here is the mark price x minus discount 12x upon 100 by cross multiplication. 100x minus 12, 88x upon 100. Cross multiplication, 100x minus 12x, that is 88x upon 100. This is the selling price, this is the selling price, and it is given that the difference between selling price is 34 rupees. So difference between two selling price by given condition, discount difference between these two prices was 34 rupees. So first selling price minus second selling price, 88x upon 100 minus 9x upon 10 equal to 34 rupees. The difference between two selling prices equal to 34. So first subtract both the prices equal to 34. No need to cut the zeros. 10x upon 100. Here 10x upon 100. 100 minus 10, 90x upon 100. Denominator equal. There is the equal denominator 90x. So first is greater number. So 90x. Difference is 90x upon 100 minus 88x upon 100 equal to 34. 2x upon 100 equal to 34. So find the value of x. 34 into 100 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 17 into 100, 1700. So our answer is option number 2. The equal mark price is 1700. Next example. Rajabhau sold a refrigerator of rupees 42,700 and mark price for rupees 39,711. What was the percentage of discount he offered? This is the mark price. Mark price is given 42,700 and selling price rupees 39,711. So there must be discount is given. Mark price is greater and selling price is less, so there is a discount offered by that Rajabhau. Rajabhau offers some discount. And how much that discount? Subtract these two, mark price minus selling price equal to discount. 42,700 minus 39,711. 9. 2,989 is discount. So we have to find the discount percentage. Discount percentage equal to discount upon mark price. Discount is always given on mark price. So discount upon mark price into 100. 2989 divided by mark price 42,700 into 100. Double zeros are cut. 427 into 7. That is 2,989. So this is divided by 427. Answer is 7%. Our answer is discount percent is 7%. Option number 1. Double zeros are cut and 427. Divide this number by 427. Answer is 7. Next example. A shopkeeper decided the mark price of TV set rupees 36,750, but due to Diwali festival, he gave some discount to Lakshman and sold it for rupees 31,237 and half. That is 0.5, 50 paise, 1 half rupees. That is 31,237.5. That is 0.50 rupees. Then find the discount percentage. What is given here? First given the mark price. Mark price of TV 36,750 and also given the selling price. Selling price 31,237 and half, that is 31,237.50 paise. 1 half means 0.50 rupees. Now there is the discount. So Lakshman get a discount. What is that discount? Mark price minus selling price. Mark price minus selling price. Do the subtraction. Answer is 5,512.50. Now we have to find the discount percentage. And what is that discount percentage? Discount upon mark price into 100. Discount 5,512.50 upon, and the mark price of TV is 36,750 into 100. Zeros are cut. 5,512.5. Not need to write a 0 into 10 upon 3,675. Multiplication of this 10. So answer is 55,125. 1 decimal place into 10. No need to write the decimal place. Divide this number and we get the answer, that is the 3675 divided 55,125. Answer is 15. Division of this number is 15. So our answer is option number 2, 15. A shopkeeper gave 9 items free on the purchase of 18 items. How much percentage discount did the shopkeeper give? 18's half is 9. That is 50%. Let cost of one item is equal to 1 rupee, or mark price let mark price of one atom is equal to 1. So mark price of 9 atom equal to rupees 9. Mark price of 18 atom is equal to rupees 18. So he gave the discount on the mark price. Discount is equal to discount. How much discount? He gave the 9 atom free, that is 9 atom equal to 9 rupees. So selling price equal to mark price minus discount. Mark price 18 and discount is 9, so 9 rupees selling price. So percentage of discount equal to 9 upon 18 into 100, that is 50%. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 100 upon 2, that is 50. No need to write the selling price. Directly percentage of discount equal to discount upon mark price into 100, 50%. Question number 10. Ramlal is giving 4 pens free on purchase of 10 pens. Then how much percentage discount is he giving? Percentage of discount equal to discount upon mark price into 100. Discount, that is 4 pens. Directly I write the pens, not a value. 4 pens on 10 pens into 100. Zeros are cut. 4 into 10, that is 40%. The discount is 40%. Next question. A farmer sold 72 quintal rice at the rate of rupees 4,200 per quintal with the help of an agent who got 4% commission from the farmer. Then how much amount the agent get? That is, we have to find the total commission. Now first find the selling price of the 72 quintal rice. Rate is 4,200. Selling price of 72 quintal rice equal to 72 into 4,200. Double zeros and 72 into 42. Multiplication of this one. Three lakh 2,400. Now find the commission. Total commission. Agent get total commission. Selling price into percentage of commission. Selling price 3,02,400 into percentage is 4%, that is 4 upon 100. Double zeros are cut. 3024 into 4. So answer is 12,096. 12,096. Answer is option number 2. The agent get 12,096 rupees as a commission.